Dear friends, welcome to Tech Nursery. In this video, we are going to discuss how to add or remove attributes of elements in React.js project. I have some examples on the screen. We will discuss each examples one by one. So, we are going to discuss how can we add or remove attributes of elements or tags in React.js. For example, here I have my component and I have is disabled props, and in the button element I have disabled attribute. Here I used a ternary operator. If this is disabled true, then only this attribute is active. Otherwise, it will be inactive. That means is disabled is passed as props. I am checking is disabled value using ternary operator. If this value is true, then true will be assigned to this disabled is equal to true. If this value is false, then this false will be assigned to this disabled. If disabled is assigned with true, then this attribute is active. If disabled is assigned with false, then this disabled attribute is inactive, not active. So conditionally using ternary operator, based on this condition, we enable or disable this attribute, disabled attribute for this button element. We got this is disabled as a props. Based on the props value using ternary operator, we make active or inactive this disabled attribute of this button element. So this is example with ternary operator. Here we are using logical AND operator. Same as is disabled, here we have is primary. Is primary is true, then this primary hyphen button class will be assigned to this class name attribute. Otherwise, this class name will be inactive. This attribute is not active on this button element. If is primary is true, truthy value, then this will be assigned to this class name. So this is with logical AND operator. Here also we conditionally add or remove attribute from an element in React. Here we are using spread operator. This is similar to the first example. Here we have is disabled prop. Based on is disabled value, we will generate an object disabled key true value assigned to this disabled props. If is disabled is false or falsy values, then empty object. Then this disabled props object, we will use spread operator, 3 dots to this button element. So by using ternary operator plus spread operator, we are using conditional adding or removing attribute to the elements in React.js. Last example, we are using not double equal to operator. We have a tab index props here. We will check tab index not equal to undefined. If that is true, this tab index will be assigned to this tab index attribute. If it is undefined, then null will be assigned to this tab index, which in turn result of removing this tab index attribute, omitting this tab index attribute. So we discussed different scenarios. Choose which one is applicable for you. Thank you.